Hey guys, I'm here with a brief video today to show you how to freeze rows and columns. And so what this allows you to do is just scroll in both directions and keep a reference point. For example, your top header row and maybe some ID columns on the left. And so there's a hand here. If you go on this top row above one and you just click and drag, we can drag it all the way down here. And you can see now as we scroll down, only down below where this bar is will move. So appropriately here, right, would be right under the header row. So we scroll down, that header row remains frozen there. And then we can do the same thing with columns. So we could drag it over here, right after maybe first or last name here. And then we scroll down, we can actually scroll over as well, and then that remains frozen. Before we wind up, let me just show you how to do this from the view menu. So under view, we have freeze as well. And so we could reset this, for example, view, freeze, no rows, no columns. And now it's back to where it started. And then we can actually add it as well from here. So we could do 2 rows, for example, freeze, 2 columns, and that's actually freezing up here. So that is a good note before we sign off here is if you have a merged cell there, which this one was, it was merged here. You can't freeze halfway in between. So in this case, the view, freeze, columns wasn't giving us what we needed. So let's go ahead and just drag this over manually, right to C. And there we are. All right, that's it for today, guys. Hope you like and subscribe if this was helpful for you. And then make sure to check out our other videos on both Google Sheets and Google Apps Script. Thanks, guys. See you soon.